Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a solution for Ethernet user on Ubuntu. Fix your Ethernet not working on Ubuntu. It's a very simple process to fix this problem. Just simply look at the first image, the problem. Ethernet cable is connected, but there is no internet on Ubuntu. The symptoms should be no internet access, or maybe network manager shows disconnected, or website don't load, or apps can connect. So let's open the terminal and then type the first command nmcli space device space status, and here you're going to see that your Ethernet type. Here you can find out the type and you will find out Ethernet, and if it's showing disconnected, then simply type sudo space nmcli space device space connect space nm and the device name you should need to type, and it will going to connect. And then simply type another time this nmcli device status, and then you're going to find out that is successfully activated. So here you can simply see to check the status again. Here it is, and then you can simply test the connectivity. Just simply type this ping space dash c space 4 space 1.1.1.1, and you'll find out that if you get replies with 0%, then packet loose, your internet is rightly working. Very simple to fix it. And now there is important notes about your Ethernet device name. So I told you everything that you need to just look forward to the device name and the type, and then simply find your device name. So from that perspective, you can simply find out and solve your problem. Very simple to do that. If it's fixed, then simply comment below, and if it's not, then also comment below, and then into the next video I'm going to find out the next solution for you that you're facing right now in your Ubuntu. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.